Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your current edition and build so you know what you're changing. Open Settings System About and note Edition. Once done, make a quick backup and create a restore point so you can recover if something unexpected happens. Then locate or purchase a valid Windows 11 Pro product key or ensure your Microsoft account has a Pro digital license. This is required to activate after the change. You're ready to enter the key and start the conversion process. You proceed to Settings System Activation and choose Change Product Key. Enter the 25-character Windows 11 Pro key and click Next so Windows can validate it online. This is how activation and edition reassignment happen. Make sure you stay connected to the internet and avoid restarting mid-process. Windows will download any missing Pro features and reconfigure the system. This can take several minutes. Once it completes, Windows will prompt to sign out or restart. Do that till you finish by restarting and signing back in, then verify Settings System About shows Windows 11 Pro. This confirms the switch. If activation reports unactivated, use the activation troubleshooter or re-enter the key and make sure the key is linked to your Microsoft account for digital entitlement. If activation fails, check your internet connection. Run system file checks like SFC and DISM to repair corrupt components, and then retry. If problems continue, contact Microsoft support with your key and error codes for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.